friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Young Minds GK. Today's topic is amazing fact about our world. Longest river, Nile. Nile is the longest river in the world. Nile river flows in Egypt. Nile river is known as the heart of Egyptian civilization. Next, biggest river, Amazon. Amazon river is the biggest river in the world which flows in South America. Next, longest falls, Niagara Fall. Niagara Fall is the longest fall in the world. Next, biggest continent, Asia. Asia is the biggest continent. The other total 7 continents are there, namely Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia. Smallest continent, Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. In Australian continent, the countries are Australia, New Zealand, and so on. Next, biggest country, Russia. Russia is the biggest country in the world. Russia is in European continent. Next, smallest country, Vatican City. Vatican City is the smallest country. Next, large populous country, China. China is the large populous country. The capital of China is Beijing. Next, least populous country, Vatican City. Vatican City is the smallest country and also least populous country. Next, largest city, area wise, Hulunbuir, that is in China. Next, highest country, Wenchuan, Tibet, China. Next, largest bridge, He Pi Long Bridge. Next, largest dam, Grand Coulee Dam. It is in United States of America. America is in North American continent. Next, highest dam, Jinping 1 Dam. It is in China. Next, highest strait dam, Bhakra Dam. Bhakra Dam is in Punjab. Bhakra Dam is built on the river Sutlej. Bhakra Dam provides water to the states like Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab. Next, highest capital city, La Paz. It is in Bolivia. Next, largest democracy, India. India is the largest democratic country in the world. Next, biggest bell, Great Bell at Moscow. Moscow is the capital of Russia. Highest volcano, Onchi del Salado, ends between Argentina and Chile. Argentina and Chile are South American countries. Longest wall, Great Wall of China. Great Wall of China is the longest wall in the world. China is the highest populous country in the world. Next, highest mountain peak, Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. The height of the Mount Everest is 8848 meter. Mount Everest is in Himalayan region and it is in Nepal. Next, highest mountain range, Himalayan range. Himalayan range is the highest mountain range. The Himalayan range lies between India, China, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan. Next, longest mountain, Andes Central. Andes Central mountain is in South American continent. Next, biggest museum, British Museum. British Museum is in London. It is the biggest museum in the world. Next, longest gulf, Gulf of Mexico. Mexico is the North American country. Deepest and biggest ocean, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the deepest and biggest ocean in the world. Next, largest peninsula, Arabia. Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula in the world and it is in Asian continent. Largest palace, Imperial Palace. It is in Beijing. Imperial Palace of Beijing. It is in China. It is the largest palace in the world. Largest archipelago, Indonesia. Largest park, National Park Greenland. National Park of Greenland is the largest park in the world. Next, largest railway platform, Gorakhpur. Gorakhpur railway platform is the largest railway platform. It is in Uttar Pradesh state of India. Largest railway bridge, Dayan Kunshan Grand Bridge. The Yankushan Grand Bridge is in China. It is the largest railway bridge in the world. Largest plateau, Tibetan Plateau. Next, largest river basin, Amazon basin. Amazon river flows in South American continent. It is the largest river basin in the world. World's rainiest point, Cherrapunji. Cherrapunji is a place in Meghalaya state of India. It is the world's rainiest point. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Next, largest port, Shanghai. Shanghai port is in China. Busiest port, Shanghai port. The largest and busiest port is Shanghai port. It is in China. Longest railway, Trans-Siberian Railway is the longest railway. Longest river dam, Tarbela. The Tarbela Dam is in Pakistan. The capital of Pakistan is Istanbul. Next, largest seabird, albatross. Tallest tower, Tokyo Skytree. It is in Japan. Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Next, large populous city, Tokyo, Japan. Next, biggest constitution, Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution is the biggest constitution in the world. India adopted constitution on 26th January 1950. Next, oldest constitution, American Constitution. American Constitution is the oldest written constitution in the world. Next, biggest epic, Mahabharata. Mahabharata is the biggest epic. Mahabharata is the epic of Hindus. Next, biggest religion, Christian. Christianity is the biggest religion in the world. The other religions are Hindus, Muslims, Jains, Buddhist, etc. Next, biggest dry desert, Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert is the biggest dry desert. It is in Africa. Next, biggest cold desert, Antarctica Desert. Among 7 continents, Antarctica is the coldest continent. In Antarctica, the human life is not existed. Penguins are lived in Antarctica. The India's mission in Antarctica is named as Maitri. Antarctica is in southern hemisphere. Next, biggest island, Greenland. Greenland is the biggest island in the world. Largest lake, Caspian Sea. Caspian Sea is the largest lake in the world. Largest freshwater lake, Lake Superior. Lake Superior is the largest freshwater lake. On the other hand, Caspian Sea is the largest lake. Deepest lake, Baikal. Baikal Lake is the deepest lake. It is in Siberia. Next, highest lake, Titicaca. Titicaca Lake is the highest lake. It is in Bolivia. Largest coral formation, the Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Biggest dome, Gold Gumbaz. Gold Gumbaz is the biggest dome in the world. Gold Gumbaz is in Bijapur district of Karnataka. Next, deepest point, Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench is the deepest point. It is in Pacific Ocean. Largest delta, Sundarban Delta. Sundarban Delta is the largest delta. Sundarban Delta is in West Bengal, where Sundari trees are grown. The Sundarban Delta is created because of the river Ganga and Brahmaputra. Biggest bird, ostrich. Smallest bird, hummingbird. Hummingbird is the smallest bird, whereas ostrich is the biggest bird. Fastest bird, peregrine falcon. Longest poisonous snake, king cobra. King cobra is the longest poisonous snake. Largest temple, Angkor Wat, Cambodia is the largest temple in the world. Biggest statue, Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is built on the Sardar Sarovara river on the bank of the river Narmada. It is in Gujarat. Statue of Liberty is constructed to commemorate the contribution of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next, highest battlefield, Siachen Glacier. Siachen Glacier is the highest battlefield and also it is the coldest battlefield in the world. Siachen Glacier is in the Himalayan range which lies in India. Biggest flower, Rafflesia. Rafflesia is the biggest flower in the world. Biggest land animal, African elephant. Biggest sea animal, blue whale. Smallest bone, steps. Steps bone is the smallest bone which is in the ear of the human. Next, heaviest element, uranium. Uranium is the heaviest element in the periodic table. The atomic number of uranium is 92. Uranium is used in nuclear power plant for nuclear fission. Next, lightest element, hydrogen. Hydrogen is the lightest element. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Lightest metal, lithium metal. Lithium metal is the lightest metal. The atomic number of lithium is 3. Heaviest metal, osmium. Next, highest melting point, tungsten. The melting point of tungsten is 34,100 degrees Celsius. Tungsten is used in the bulb. Next, hardest substance. Schwarzschild boron nitrate is the hardest substance. Largest airport, King Fahd International Airport. King Fahd International Airport is the largest airport in the world and it is in Daman, Saudi. Next, highest airport, Bangada Airport. Bangada Airport is in Tibet, China. Tallest building, Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa building is the tallest building. It is in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The height of the building Burj Khalifa is 828 meter. Largest bay, Hudson Bay. Hudson Bay is the largest bay in the world. Hudson Bay is in Canada. Canada is the second largest country in the world. Largest diamond, Cullinan. The Cullinan is the largest diamond in the world. It is found in South Africa. Largest diamond mine, Kimberley. Kimberley is the diamond mine in South Africa. It is the largest diamond mine in the world. Largest mosque, Masjid Al-Haram Mosque. It is in Mecca. Mecca is the holy place of Muslims. Largest planet, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet. Smallest planet, Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. In solar system, 8 planets are there, namely Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Largest moon, Ganymede. Ganymede is the moon of Jupiter. It is the largest moon. Largest river island, Majuli Island. Majuli Island is the largest river island. Majuli Island is in Assam. Majuli Island is created because of the river Brahmaputra. These all about amazing fact about the world. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Young Minds GK. Thank you.